Hi. I've been experiencing some difficulties on my live site. I've got a live site and a staging environment for my website. So currently I'm looking at the live site and auto optimize. If I deactivate it, the link you followed has expired. I am logged in. I'll just show you. I'll re-log in again, just to ensure that you can see that. So install plugins, auto optimize, deactivate. So the link has expired, and delete cache seems to work, but if I also go into settings, sorry, I'm not allowed to access this page. That's one issue. And another issue is I'm getting ready for launch and cleaning the website up. And if I go to posts categories, I've got one category here which I cannot delete. So it's got a count of 1, but there's nothing there. There's no posts found. And uncategorized would always be there. I obviously can't delete that. That's a default for WordPress, but the 16 here, there's nothing there either. So can't get rid of those. So if I go to my staging environment and I just mirrored it, doing the same things on here. So if I go to categories, so I only copied this across this. I haven't changed anything on WordPress, but it seems to be able to get rid of everything in here, and auto optimize is working as you would expect it to on here. So I usually leave it off on a staging environment, but if I activate it, you can see that the plugin is activated, etc. So there's something wrong on the live site. I use selective advanced push to push things across. I don't know if that is it or if it's unrelated, but there's some sort of issue on the live site, and I don't know exactly what it is. So I'm wondering if you might be able to have a look. So I'll leave it over to you. Thank you. Cheers.